TidyCal is a simple scheduling tool that allows you to create booking pages for appointments, meetings, or events. Here's how to use TidyCal to manage your bookings efficiently. Sign up and log in. Go to TidyCal and create an account by signing up with your email address. Once registered, log into your dashboard. Set up your availability. After logging in, navigate to the Availability tab. Here, you can customize your working hours and set your preferred days for meetings or appointments. You can also add buffer times between appointments and define the meeting duration. Create a booking page. Under the booking link section, you can create a unique booking page. Customize it with your name, photo, and type of meetings you offer. Share your link. Once your booking page is set up, share the link with your clients or team members via email, social media, or other channels. They can now book appointments with you based on your availability. Manage and sync appointments. TidyCal integrates with Google Calendar to sync your appointments automatically. You can also manage existing appointments, reschedule, or cancel them directly from the dashboard.